Hi, PJ45 here. It's been a while since I built this on live stream, but I had to find the time to record this video, and I finally got time. I have time, but not enough time. I'm babysitting my nephew, my littlest nephew. Here's the Hulk. He has green hair, which is ugly, and purple pants, which is the classic Hulk stereo. It's basically the same mold as the Hulk, except the head mold is different. Next, we got the Red Hulk. And this is exactly the same mold as the Avengers Hulk in Age of Ultron with that Hulkbuster set. And the only difference is different color coats and different face expression. She-Hulk, which is Hulk's cousin. She has like a what's it called? Wonder Woman hairpiece. This is Hulk's girlfriend / anti-hero. She has the same hairpiece as Scarlet Witch, and she has like a little bit of red on the hair. And the Red Hulk is her father's father. And she wasn't born like that. Now, let's get the cars up here. Sorry if I'm rushing, I don't have that much time left before he wakes up. Here are the cars. Basically, they got bumpers in them. These things on the side are hanging onto it. Those are the ammo it comes with. And this one is like like the Green Hulk, the Red Hulk. You could tell. That's all to say about this build. I'm on a fucking timeline.